What's up, YouTube? It's your boys, the LOWERY Boys. We back with another video, bro.
Boy, I tell you, boy, I say we cooking up some stuff for y'all, boy.
Bro, we got a bunch of videos for y'all, bro. A bunch. Just randomness, bro. Just randomness. Bro, we finna watch a 900, this man, 900 pound man fart. He not 900 pounds.
He not 900.
900 pound man farts on people in Walmart. Bro.
Boy, this a piss of me.
It's the, man.
He stopped rolling.
He sure did.
He stopped rolling.
Bro, that what made me mad, bro. Cause that sound like you farted for real.
What you mean, son? It really do. I think you done farted for real.
Look at brother back.
Wait, come on. He a client. He a client. Ain't nobody gonna walk. Man, ain't no way.
Nah, bro. I've been mad. I've been so mad, bro. No, it stank too. Bro, my client, bro. Let me pause. My client probably the size of him, bro. This man farted.
No, he ain't the size of him.
He about the size. He probably about the size of him, bro. I promise you.
Don't put his name out there.
No, I'm not. I'm not. This man farted one day. He was like, I ain't mean to let it go like that. He meant to let it go. He just didn't mean to let it go like that. Man, when I told you that John stood, I think he like 30. No, he 42. Man, that John stunk. Man, I was so mad, bro.
He ain't mean to let it go like that.
He farting on the kids.
Man, come on. Now, she mad.
He farting on the kids,
she mad.
bro. He farting on the kids. No.
Purposely done that. Oh,
how much
on,
you think he weigh,
man?
Me,
he probably about.
He about 4, bro.
Oh, he more than 4, bro. He probably about high 5'6". He high 5'6".
Bro,
this
he
one,
don't look at
the one right there, bro. She gonna be laughing. Look, she laughing. Oh, never mind.
Man, he been all the way. I've been so bad, bro. And he farted all on the stuff. He farted all on the stuff. He's supposed to be working there. Look at little.
He was supposed to be working there. He got an Amazon.
Look at and he got a note.
He got a booty in the front and back.
He's steady farting, bro. He's scratching himself.
She about to go talk to him. Are you alright?
Oh my gosh, bro. I've been so hot, bro. Look at bro. Look at bro. He mad, bro. These niggas, I know he ain't finna.
Come on. Oh, she mad. Oh, she
mad. She hot. He still farting.
Oh, she
hot.
mad.
She hot, bro.
She mad.
She wanna call a nigga so bad. She wanna call a nigga. Look her face.
A funky nigga. A funky nigga. Bad.
Man, she wanna call this name a nigga so bad. He riding around farting, bro.
Bro, look at his booty.
Look at his legs.
Look at his booty. Bitch. Oh, no. Come on, they mad.
They hot.
Oh, they mad. I know that one, man.
Man, I've been so hot, bro.
Do wrong and turn back around, go back down the same line.
Okay. And that one sound wet too, bro. I've been hot, bro. It's the same girl. He farting on the kids. He farted on the kids twice.
SJ.
SJ confused. Don't know what's going on. And he been to. Ooh, he was been down up in that joker, bro. Ooh, and they talking about him bad in Spanish. Oh, they talking about him bad in Spanish. They talking about him bad in Spanish.
Oh, they cussing him out.
Man, call him all type of words.
Negro and everything.
And he ashy. He trying to pull the vest. He trying to pull the vest down.
He over and farted on her.
Man, I've been hot, bro. He just spinning around in it. He's spinning around in the phone. Man, I've been so hot. I'm talking, he been down there, bro. Nah, man, he been down there. I've been so hot. Drive by fart. He throw it.
Oh, man, I put him in the headlock.
Man, I've been so hot.
I put him in the headlock.
Drive by fart.
Man, come on. Then you gonna fan it.
I know she finna. She didn't say nothing. Look, they follow this. He farted on them.
Hey,
they follow.
Say something to him.
They follow.
Come here.
No. Bruh, it is sad. Bruh, he look like how his fart sound. He look like the way if he fart, that's how it sounds.
Wet.
Wet. Wet.
He got up out of his fucking.
Look, they stirred him. Look, see, he laughing. Look, look at his feet, food.
He's sweet.
Look at his feet, bro. He got white nail polish on.
Come on.
Niggas tripping.
Man, come on.
Niggas tripping.
I ain't got his toes.
Man got his whole toe out. Man, they call him all type of niggas.
Man, you know they on.
All type of niggas. He turn around.
Look at him.
He don't even know what's going on. He don't understand.
He doing that
Look, he was smiling at first.
Donation.
He was smiling at first.
He can't leave. He can't leave it. He can't leave that money. Man, come on.
He
Hold on. Twisted. Come on, man. I know he mad. He mad.
He hot, bro.
He
This
mad.
nigga hot.
He 38.
He hot, bro. She looked him up and down, bro. She
Like, how
looked him
dare
ain't
you?
up and down,
She
bro.
running from him. How dare you?
He jumped. He flinched. He scared him, bro. He scared him.
Watch out, drip.
He scared him.
Had it?
Had him drip. Well, he walking fast.
But
Look at her. She
mad.
short. She mad, bro.
Well. Come on, bro. Come
He
on.
farting on the kids.
Man, come
bro.
on, man.
He farting on the kids, bro. Man, look at her. Look at the kid. Look at None. Look, she hurried up and got out the way. She hurried up and got out the way.
Man.
Man, I've been so hot.
She like she want to say something to me.
Man, he getting up.
What if you reverse it? Come on, bro.
Big, loud, and wet. Big, loud, and wet.
Look, he spread his cheeks before he did it. Watch this.
This nigga is true.
I know he not. I know he not. I know he not.
This nigga.
Man, come on, bro.
This.
Come on.
Let's see why. Wig. Look at her, bro.
Oh, she mad.
Man, she hot.
Man.
She hot.
She mad.
And she finna go over there in the look, she holding her nose, bro. She don't even spell that. Come on. Bro, look how
Man.
listen to the cart when he's sitting on it, bro. It's squeaking.
I know they call him fucking everybody. I know they are.
Bro, I've been
900 pounds. They know good and well do that.
man, I'm talking about he farting candles, bro. I've been so hot, bro. You farting over here with the candles at, nigga. Out of everywhere in the store, you gonna fart with the candles at. I gotta take that home.
He killing the smell of
Man, somebody inflamed them, nigga.
it. Man, come on.
Engulfed them and flamed them. Boy,
Come on.
man, I've been hot, bro. He smelling it. Bro, I've been so
Could you
hot.
do that?
The farter?
Yeah.
Nigga, I wanted one of these.
No, you can't.
Yes, I did. I used to watch this white dude. I forgot his name. He used to have the farter. They call it the pooter. I wanted one of them.
You're doing the Walmart.
Yes,
too.
them man, them like $60 though. Man, I want, yeah, bro. Bro, I know I've been get talked about too, but I be wearing something like him. I be looking like a doofus, bro. I wouldn't wear no regular. I be looking like a doofus, man. One, the dude I'm talking about, he got punched. Somebody would start fighting him over that.
Oh, far.
Over fart, bro, punched him in his mouth, bro. punched him in his mouth. I said, oh my God. Some people be thinking that stuff disrespectful, bro. It is though. Especially like that, like you fanning it, like
he can't help it though.
You fanning it too. Look at him. Look, he rolled his eyes at him. He rolled his eyes at him.
He gotta get him.
He rolled his eyes.
People know
He leaned back and then fart, bro. He finna fart on the stuff. The dude I be watching, he'll fart on the item and smell it, bro. Like he's smelling it. Nigga tripping, bro. They got one of it's like a cup, and you blow in it and you make a fart noise. But it's like you drinking something. Dude, he be shaking his leg, like shaking his leg. And I've been high, bro. I've been so high.
He done worked all day too. I know he mad. He done worked
He
all
just
day.
got off work. Just got off work. He already got
He
work.
want to go to Walmart.
Man, he's hot, bro. He got the same. He's the same folks. He's staring them in their eyes.
You guys know what blackout keys are?
He's staring them in their eyes, bro. Yeah. He waiting on them to say something. Say, you ain't gonna say nothing to him.
Have a nice day.
Man, now you playing with me. Look, she coming back.
He trying to run over.
Look, he say Hattie drip.
Drip.
Hattie and drip.
Hattie done got irritated.
Man, I've been hot. She on the other side.
Drip in the fire.
Man, I've been so hot, bro.
Man, and you fanning it.
You fanning it, bro. What you fanning it for?
Man,
We already know it's stank. Look, he bagging up. He trying to smell it. This nigga bagged up farting into the drop. He trifling. I bet, boy. We're gonna have to fight.
Dude right paying him no attention.
We're gonna have to fight or something, bro. Hold on. How long is that?
Sorry.
Bro, he farting where the candles at, bro. This making me upset. He farting where the cameras at. The candles.
He got lines on.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. Let me go to this main account, bro. I'm talking. Look at all they bending down. All of them, he bent down.
All of them, he been down for.
Look, he dropped 100 pounds. He was 800. He's slowly losing weight.
He's still weight. Same weight.
Hold on, bro. It was not that. She ran. She ran away.
Everything.
Was that real?
I think so.
Was that real? Did that really just happen to me?
Yeah.
No.
She can't believe it.
That was real. He just farted on you.
She's about to cry.
She can't believe it.
Pink eye.
Hey, she said pink eye.
Left her friend and everything.
Left her friend. He's security. Man, I've been
Crack out and everything.
He fanned it. He trying to smell it. Bro, they running, bro. They
That
running
will scare
off.
you.
Man, no, I kicked the while you were farting, bro. Boom. Kicked the man. Look at the cops. He had passed by the cops like 2-3 times.
That sounds like a zipper. That sounds like a zipper. Come on, man.
Bro. Nah, that one was crazy. He's supposed to be secure. What is he guarding, bro? What is he Man, I would've been laughing, bro. He's steady farting.
He got to say something to
He's
him.
steady.
He can't help he got a fart, man.
He fanning it and then fanning it in his face, bro.
He got a whole jump rope around his, what's his name, don't he?
Really, bro?
On his pants.
Okay, now you-
Dog, I don't get. Don't do that shit.
Man, he had farted about 4-5 times already.
Sorry.
Bro, he playing, bro.
Let's not. Oh, there you go. Let that out. Let that
He
out.
playing. Crack out. Crack. Crack. Crack.
Boy, that would piss me off. Somebody
Man,
fanning it, bro.
Look, he passed by the cop again.
He about to arrest him. Sir, come here. Look at him. He pointed it. Oh, he laughing. I'm about to say.
Yeah, I heard from here.
Man, that ain't crazy. And they call him all type of nigga. Nigga. They call him all type of nigga, bro. Nigga. Man, he looking back and making sure they making sure they see him. He making sure they see him for him. He ain't nobody gonna see him. Couple. He farted on the dog. He farted on the dog, bro. He farted on the dog.
Man,
Dog just living his life. Dog just living his life. He was surprised. He said, "Whoa, dude! Whoa!" He said, "Whoa, dude!" He said, "Whoa, dude! Whoa!" Whoa, dude! Man,
Oh, he mad. He mad. He 38.
Nah, he doing it on purpose. He been there all in them folks. And he got his crack out too. They drinking. They couple.
Man, couple.
He shaking his leg.
She held her breath. She held her breath.
Man, ain't nothing funny, bro. You laughing.
Why they eating? Come on. She mad. Oh, she mad. Oh, look, she gonna say something. She gonna say something.
She looking over her friend.
Okay.
That ain't funny. I'll be ready to whoop him, bro. That ain't funny, man.
Oh, I've been so hot, bro.
I'm eating.
Man, eating, then you just sit there and come on. Look, she almost ran him over. Gay.
She said, she said, did that just really just happen to me?
I mean, did
I'm
that
gonna
really,
get
just happen to me? Wait, where is this at? Beverly Hills? Oh, you know, these the bougie white folk. They saying this nigga, this YN, they saying this nigga do
You
this.
don't belong here.
Look at him, even you don't belong here, nigga. You a nigga just like me. You don't belong here. You don't belong here. You don't belong here. He gotta make America. He gotta make. This nigga got a master shirt, bro. He got a master shirt, bro. I said, man, NBA young boy. NBA young boy. He's scooting back. I'm farting on him. He's scooting back, farting on him. This nigga.
All right, dude.
All right, dude.
Man, come on, man.
Nah, bro. This Beverly Hills, he's the bougie white folk,
come
bro.
on.
The bougie one. I don't know that nigga. That nigga himself. Nah. She taking a picture. He farting in her picture. And she taking a picture. Nah. Man, I've been so hot, boy.
Boy, I ain't lying.
I've been hot. I ain't gonna lie, that just look pretty though. He farted on his drink.
Burritos got me feeling like that.
See, them chimichangas. They was banging too. He record, he vlogging. He farting in his video.
He trying to protect his wife.
I'm talking about. Nah, I've been hot, bro. I've been hot. He need to go to one of these expensive stores. They gonna kick him out, bro. He gonna ban him.
Ain't no way he gonna make it.
He'll never go back in. They got a Balenciaga store. Nah. Look, she holding the dog like a baby.
Somebody gonna say something to him.
Bro, they bougie, bro. They ain't gonna say nothing to him, bro. They just call him a nigga, bro. They just call him a nigga. They ain't gonna say nothing to him. They ain't not gonna say nothing to him. Man, I don't know. They got look, she trying to take pictures. Bruh.
He left his wife.
He left her,
He
bro.
left her.
But he left her, bruh.
bend over.
She ran off, bro. Nah, he tripping. This nigga is tripping. This nigga is tripping, bro. This nigga is tripping. Nigga! That's how they said it. Nigga! Bro, he bending up, bro. This nigga.
Oh, crack out.
Bro,
Man.
oh, crack out.
He wrong for that.
Ow, I've been so hot. Bro, act like you don't see him on the phone. They call him all the time. He fanning it on him. He throwing it on him. She said, oh. She said, oh. She instantly walked off.
I don't. I don't think they're ready.
He told her
words
me in
making
conversation.
them
He part me in conversation, bro.
Her words making them fart. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
That's his triggered word. That's trigger word. She said it's triggers. Nah, they call him all the time. Nigga. He farted on the dog, bro. He farted on the
He want
dog.
to say something. He want to say
He
something.
farted on the dog, bro.
What you guys up to today?
They hot, bro. He farted on the dog. Oh my gosh. He farted on the baby. Look, he laughed. The baby laughed. He
Just don't know.
Don't know what's going on.
Don't know.
Nah, he did that, bro. He stopped. He stopped in the middle of the thing. And the little traffic just bit back
Come
for
on,
him.
bro.
He did. He threw it on him. He throwing it on him. Solid but deadly. Silent.
It ain't
It ain't
solid.
silent. It's
It
deadly.
ain't solid.
It's just deadly. Nah, this nigga is tripping. She like, oh my gosh. She like,
She
oh
done
my
lost her
god.
appetite and everything.
Man, what?
Never.
Bruh, this is, bruh, hold on. How much are these, bruh?
Bro, it can't be that much.
Bruh, how much are these? The farter. Hold on. The farter. What is these junk called? Lee farter. What? Lee toots. What is these? How much are these? Alright, $14. They ain't bad.
That's what I'm saying.
But these the cheap ones though. These the cheap ones, bro. I low key want one of these, low key. But that's the end of the video, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed this, bro. This nigga went to 900 to 800 pounds. We just gonna put 1,200 pound man farts on people.
Same size. Hold on, bro. What you mean? Hold
Oh
on.
yeah.
Why you keep doing it,
Bro,
bro?
I be in the mode, bro. I be in the
No,
mode.
you can't be in that big of a mode.
You low key been like
K?
you low key been like 1 for like 6.
You crazy.
You been like
KY S R E.
R-E.
Yeah, that right there. Do interviews. She fine. Now she fine.
She like Doja Cat.
Man, please.
Okay, she straight.
Straight. Do an
She
interview.
grown woman fine. Let me see how she said. She grown woman fine.
She will go on
Hey
a
y'all, it's your girl Kaiser Ray, and I'm taking a shout out to say what's up with you guys.
That's for losers, man. I don't get involved in that stuff, but
George Shaw Milligan Roller.
Everything that I've been writing down is just crashing off the list, and I'm just so grateful for guys.
But she remind me of
Oh, you tripping.
what's that movie Martin was in? He was with that crazy girl, that crazy woman. She was trying to kill him. What's that?
Martin
Lawrence, bro.
Lawrence. Oh.
A thin line between love and hate. She like her, bro. You ain't never seen it? You ain't never seen a thin line between love and hate?
I know what you're talking about, but I ain't never seen the movie.
Nah, bro. She look just like
She
her,
don't
bro.
look like her.
She do.
Vanessa Williams.
Yeah, she look just like her.
No, she don't, bro.
She do. She like a younger version of her.
She don't, bro. You tripping.
What?
I don't know what you talking about.
She look like her?
Definitely not, bro.
I'm tripping, y'all.
Definitely. Well, clearly, you tripped. You talked to a TV screen.
See. But you just talked to the camera last video. Okay. See.
Yes, that's for losers, man. I don't
See.
get involved.
Yeah, she cool.
I'm enjoying it. This is my journey.
But she
Why
look like
not?
her.
What are 3 steps that young women can take to follow God?
Oh, this was her in the video.
Yeah,
Jalen
bro.
Brown, he was trying to dirty
That's
man.
what Angel Reese was.
He was talking about Bronny wasn't. See, he was talking about Bronny when they. Oh, this her.
Yeah, I thought they used to date.
Wait, why is ASAP? She go away, ASAP? Why is
in
it?
2025.
All right. Well, that's the end of the video, bro.
Y'all take it easy, man.
Bro, hold on. Look at the time, bro. We grinders. Oh, exposing.
Man.
We grinders.
Y'all
Talk to
too
me.
much.
All right, y'all.